Good morning, boys and girls. How are you all doing? Teacher Tim here. I'm doing pretty good, thank you. So, in this clip today, we're going to work with the student book. So, please take out your student book and open it to page number 16. Okay, I will change it so that you can see. Okay, so the first one, this exercise, it's a listening exercise. So I will read it and you will match the people with the ages, the numbers, how old they are. Okay, are you ready? Alright, let's start. Hi everyone, my name is Paul and I'm a boy. I am the youngest in the family. I am only 7 years old. Okay, so this one the book has already given you. Paul, he is 7 years old. Okay, let's continue. My mother, her name is Martha, and she loves to bake. And of course, I love to eat what she bakes. And she is now 44 years old. Whereas my father, he is actually 1 year younger than my mother. So, can you figure out how old he is? If he is 1 year younger than my mother? Oh, and then we have my grandparents. My grandfather, he is 73 years old and he loves to play golf. My grandmother, she loves to go hiking in the woods and pick mushrooms. And I think that's a pretty good thing to do, good activity, considering she is 69 years old. Okay, so have you matched all the people with the numbers of how old they are? Alright, good. And the next exercise is a reading and writing exercise. So look at the picture, look at the letters, and then write the word. So number 1 here, the example here. So number 12, and then you have to unscramble the word, the letters of the word. So it is not 12, it's not spelled ELWETV. No, it is spelled TWELVE, 12. So what numbers are these three? You have to unscramble the letters to write the number as a word. Okay? Alright, good job. Now I have prepared a paper, so I'm going to show that to you. I want you to do this as homework. I want you to tell me about 3 people in your family. So you will be both A and B. You will ask, so Q, question, and then answer A. So you will both ask and answer. Okay? So I will do a few examples. You have your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle. Well, one of your aunts and one of your uncles, and one of your grandmothers and one of your grandfathers. So you will ask, you put in one word here, one relative there, and then the age of his or her age. He is father, brother, uncle, grandfather, of course, and she, a woman, is your mother, sister, aunt, and grandmother. Okay? So I will do a few examples with my family. So you will do it like this. You will ask and then you will answer. And I want one of your parents to make a recording of this and send to me. Send to my private line. because if you put it in a group for the Proton 3 group, then it will be so difficult for me to know which videos are for me. And so just press on the people in the group and then find me, and then you will send it directly to me instead. All right, and your first message to me should be your number and your nickname. Okay, well, P31 number and then nickname. Okay, and then you make your recording and you send that to me there. So talk about 3 people, 3 family members, like this. I'm gonna show you. Okay. How old is your brother? Brother. Okay. My brother's name is Robin, and he is 34 years old. Don't forget to pronounce the S. You know why S? Because it's more than 1. My brother, he is 1 year old. No S. Year. So if it's year, then you take away the S. So if it's 1 year, but if it's plural form, then years. So 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and so on. Okay, so my brother Robin, he is 34 years old. So he is my younger brother. I am older than him. Okay, now number 2. How old is your father? Okay, my father's name is Stig, and he is 77 years old. So he is quite old. He is 77 years old. And the last one. How old is your I cannot ask about my grandmother and my grandfather, because both my grandmothers and both my grandfathers, they unfortunately have already died. So I cannot ask about them. Okay, so Teacher Tim, how old is your aunt? Okay, my aunt, I will talk about my mother's bigger sister. Her name is Anki, and she is I have to think, how old is she? She is she is 72 years old. Okay, so my aunt, her name is Anki, she is 72 years old. Okay, so that is what I want you to do as homework, and please send the video to my private line. And also, everyone, please do this, because I will give you points. Okay, all right, so that is all video clip. I will see you in the next video clip. Take care. Bye bye.